Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to add shipping cost WooCommerce tutorial. It's a very easy tutorial to add shipping charges, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to add your WooCommerce. How you can do that, just click on plugins, click on add new, and it might take you over here. I've searched for WooCommerce and the first one you would see something like this. Just go ahead and install and activate it. Once you do that, on the left side of the menu you will find WooCommerce products, analytics, and marketing. Otherwise, these won't show up. Once you install this might appear to your left side. If not, just refresh the page. Once you do that, go ahead and click on products. Once you click on the products, you might see nothing over here if you haven't added any products yet. But right now, you can see I have multiple products over here. Let's say if you want to add new product, and I'm going with this one existing one. So it's the same process. So I'm going to show you. Just click on edit if you have already a product you have already added, how you can add charges for shipping. Just click on edit. Once you click on edit, you might end up over here. Scroll down, enter your regular price and sale price. Under that, you will find shipping over here. Click on this, and here you can add shipping charges by weight also and the dimensions of the product you have. I can add like 10 kg for this cup, and after that you can add shipping classes from over here. We can add dimensions over here, and if you want to add some more thing, how you can do that, just click on get more options, click on browse all extensions regarding WooCommerce. Under that you will find WooCommerce shipping. You can also search that at the top right corner if you want, and once you search that, it's free. Just go ahead and click on add to store. It will automatically add your taxes and obviously shipping charges. You don't need to do anything. You just need to mention your own location, where are you selling it from and where are you selling it right now. So that's it. This is all you need to do to set up your add shipping costs for WooCommerce. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.